Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7, comparing quantities, exercise 7.1, question number 4. The question is, a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So they are saying that the win percentage is 40%. Is equal to 40%, and then the total matches won by the football team is 10. So the total matches won is equal to 10 matches. Okay, so out of some matches, right, 10 matches they have won, and then which is nothing but 40%. Okay, so from these two information definitely we can find out the total matches that has been happened, right. So total matches happened we can easily determine, right. So how many matches did they play in all, they are asking. Okay, so total matches happened they are asking. Okay, so out of total matches only, the won matches is 10 and which is nothing but 40%. So 40% of total matches, 40% of total matches happened, right. It is given by 10 matches here. Okay, so using this we can find out that easily what is the total matches happened. So 40 by 100. Okay, so total matches happened we can write it as TMH, which is equal to 10. So total matches happened is nothing but 10 into 100 divided by 40. So this and this get cancelled. 5 2s are 10, again 5 2s are 10, it is 25. Okay, so the total matches they played, total matches happened, or we can say that they played, right, which is equal to 25 matches. Okay, so very simple, they have given the 40% of matches they won and which is equal to 10. From that we can easily find out how many matches has been happened, which is nothing but 25 matches. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.